Hi everyone, RV Debs here. It is about 3:40 in the afternoon on Tuesday. I'm right at my doctor's appointment, my eye doctor, but I'm early. Today is the 1-week checkup with an optometrist, and it's all part of it. There's no extra charge to come today post-op. And I don't know what, I'm not sure why, but they're going to check this eye that's so much better than this eye, that's for sure. I look forward to getting them both the same, because it is a struggle, to have, it's just like the old, dark, hard to read anything close up, and then, bright blue skies, I can see everything, night and day. So it's hard to have night and day on your face. But no biggie, I can do it. So that's what's going on. I'm going in there to see what exactly the 1-week post-op is all about. Just got out of the doctor's office, and that was really good. I got to meet an optometrist, and they did tests and said I'm looking, it's doing great. And anyway, I'm doing well, and I'm gonna head home. It's Valentine's Day party. Okay, I'm going to sweep the table. Just the chest lines of the folks. You know him. And then we got our hostess is Kathy. She made the dessert. Those are chocolate roses. It's pretty nice. We have wine and dinner to go. Got wine. All the hostesses decorated their own tables. That's our table there. That's Kathy. Nice turnout. These are all the different tables. Everybody's got a different table hostess and a setting that's different. They're bringing the dessert. We've got wine, all kinds of stuff. Spaghetti and meatballs. It was a really lovely Valentine's Day party, and I enjoyed everything. Really delicious. And people are still in there. Beautiful night. And I'm ready for my house. Such a homebody. We're on our way to the candy factory tour, and I'm lucky enough to go with my neighbor Roger. That's Roger. And he's behind the wheel of his Tesla. Isn't it a brand new one? Yeah. Brand new Tesla. Never been in one. It really is nice. Look at that big screen. And
it's driving.
It drives itself. It just stays in between whatever the dots are, or how does it know? Because there's no lines.
It just knows.
It just knows. A smart car. I mean, real smart. Very chic. Very cool. This is their second. So we're following other people. We're going to head to a chocolate factory tour and enjoy our afternoon and have some candy. What better way to spend the day after Valentine's?
Next year they're coming out with a small one.
This car drives itself, stops itself. It adjusts the miles per hour. It's really SI all the way, I would say. And it feels very stable. Look how comfortable a long trip would be.
Oh, yeah.
It tells you everything. So it's sleek. Not a lot of extra things that you don't need. Dust collectors, as they say. It's overcast, but very mild weather.
And it's very cheap to drive.
Cheap to drive, number one. And you can plug yours in right at your house.
Right. When I'm on a trip, they have superchargers all over the place.
More and more all the time, I bet.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the car I just drove in. It drove us here. This is the candy factory. It's really overcast. It's supposed to rain later. Cool car.
Good morning, Jerry.
Hey, remember those days you had to go get your film developed?
Yes, I do.
Pain in the neck. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a video first. It's 3 minutes long on the computer, and then I'm gonna talk for about 45 minutes after that. Then we're gonna go see the mill behind this door at the end. It's mostly empty, but I'll turn it on. Do have videos of it with chocolate in it. And I don't know if you guys can smell it. I just roasted, windowed some beans before you guys got here, so it's probably chocolate smelling. And if you're ready, I'm gonna start with you. They're pretty unique.
Yeah.
When we get them, they're like this. They're brown. They've been fermented and dried. So we get them like this. Not in this form. We get them in bean form.
Okay.
So inside the pod, they're white. So we don't get them white. The farmer ferments them. I'll tell you what that means. That takes about a week. And then he dries them. That takes another week. So when we get them, they're ready to be cleaned and roasted and windowed and milled. So it's a process. It is a fruit. It's not what's in it. So this is what I've been roasting. So from Mexico, I'm gonna squeeze between you. Squeeze just a tiny bit there. You're good right there. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna show you how fast I go. Then I'll slow it so you can hear me talk. It's 74 degrees in here, so it's kind of cool. I'll show you how fast I go. That's how fast I go. I go faster, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't do anything. So that's how fast I go. I'm gonna slow it down so you can hear me talk better. I don't know. Yeah, it's gigantic. I think the reason he bought it was 5 days here, 3 days.
Tastes just as good with the bubbles.
Anybody want some water to drink?
This is the wrapping time.
Yep. How we wrap all of our stuff.
Really nice.
Yippers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We could come.
Maybe next time.
This was very fun. We're at the vet, Lily and me and Jim. Look at all these cool pictures. That's really cool. Hopefully she will be given something to help her get some energy. She'll be okay, God willing. This is the 911 pet doctor. It's really pretty and well done. Lots of colorful puppies.
Yeah, okay, sweet.
And kitties.
Big purple nose.
Yeah, blue nose. I've done stuff like that. Waiting for I want to step in here at this point after Valentine's Day and the chocolate factory. My darling Chihuahua Lily, she's a long-haired Chihuahua, she's 11. She came down, well, she started getting sick. She wouldn't eat. I had my second eye done Monday, and on Tuesday, I had to bring her to the emergency hospital veterinary. And that's where this is going to continue in this video. But it's going to show you her recovery. She was in the hospital Tuesday, Wednesday, came home Thursday, and very, very weak, and she had basically a, I think it's called pyometry, and it is a where her uterus was filled with pus. And thank God they got it all out and it was not broken. It was all together. So now she's, you know, got the cone and she's healing. And so at this point, she wasn't eating. It was hard to get her to eat, so I've got medication. I finally learned how to give her a pill. I can actually do it now. It's hard. It's a struggle. She's on her road to recovery, and so at this point I'm going to continue the video. I just didn't show much while she was in the hospital. I don't even think I was breathing really much while she was in the hospital. My cataract surgery, thank God, is really successful as far as it's healing. Tomorrow I go to an eye exam, but this week's been crazy week. Yeah. So let me carry on here and you can see what's going on since she came home. You want some more? Found something. I know you. I know my baby. She says, I need something sweet and good. There she is. Her first little bit. Haagen-Dazs vanilla. I'm so happy to see you eating anything. So when you take a pill, you're going to get ice cream for dessert. More? One more time. Just a little. Here you go. She's got to be pretty hungry. I got some chicken to cook for her, but I thought she'd get something in her mouth that tastes good. I had to put the pills in her mouth and stuff them in her mouth, and oh my God, she'd spit them out. So that is her little, what you call it? I thought that was a good brand. Okay, Lily, that's enough for now. My little precious baby. Go lay down. Go lay down, Lily. Yeah, go lay down. She hates the cones. Oh my gosh. She's eating Mama's chicken. No medicine, just some chicken. Thank you so much, Lily. Hi everyone, RV Debs here, and there's little Lily in her little cone. She's definitely doing better. She hates the cone, of course. That gets her all bummed, but she's been eating and hungry. She went outside and did a poop, and she loved it, and she loves being outside, so we want her to get well real fast. But isn't she precious? Giving her pills is the worst feeling. I have to, like, really hold her and just be so... It's hard to open her mouth. The little tiny mouth that she has. So, we'll see what happens. I have a couple more pills to give her today. Good morning, everyone. RV Debs here. It's Sunday. I'm working today. Took Lily to the park here first thing in the morning. Today I gave her 2 pills just by holding her mouth open and pushing them in, and she got them. She didn't spit them out. So then she had some food, and now she's here, and we're just doing good today. Much better. Look at her. So glad she's feeling much better. Beautiful sunny day, mild temperature. It's going to get in the 80s though, but right now it's perfect. And I'll see you later along the way. She's happy. So am I. Oh yeah, it's been a struggle. But I gave her pills today the old-fashioned way. And last night she ate one in her food. So we'll just do whatever we can to get them pills in that little face. Yes. She's happy. It's our first trip to the sanctuary in quite a while. Oh, there's a cardinal in there. Wow. I'm gonna see if I can catch it. This is our place. I'm gonna sit and enjoy it. She's doing really good. Look at her. Yeah. And she's gotten upstairs in my bedroom with her cone on. I came home from doing something for work and she was upstairs. Geez, nothing gonna keep her down. Just want to keep getting her out and some exercise and some food. Good girl, Lily. Come here. Lily, this way. Hey, this way. Come on. Come. Come on. As far as you can go. Come on, go back. Turn. Let's go. Oh, peeing again, huh? Okay. Let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, God, I'm so grateful. She's doing good. And she ate, and she was so hungry. It was a pleasure. Pretty. Such a sweetie. Such a good pup. Flowers are in bloom. Feels like spring more than summer. Look at that field. Wow, it's really pretty. Oh gosh. See, you know, even when life is so down, there's gonna be a day like this. That's gonna make it all worthwhile. Right? Right. Thank all the people that helped you, Lily. Thank you, everybody. Lily's so appreciative, too. That's why she is being such a good girl. Only work on Sunday and Mondays, so I get the golf cart. Luckily, I got the golf cart yesterday, too, which was a bonus for sure. Listen to the birds. It's peaceful. Good morning. Well, it's morning for me. It's 9 in the morning about, and took Lily out. She's eating on her own. I don't have to give her the appetite enhancer. It's very cool this morning, but it's going to get in the 80s. We're supposed to get in the 90s this week. So I guess winter's done. I'm just going to keep an eye on Lily. She likes to, do her business. Anyway, things are good. She took her medicine. I'm just stuffing it down her throat now. It's the only way. I'll talk to you guys soon, though. She sure looks good. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, she's a mommy's girl, for sure.